IOPVet is an easy and inexpensive tool to screen for glaucoma in every acute red or painful eye. Before starting, the animal is gently positioned without giving too much pressure on the neck. The eyelids are opened only by leaning against the orbital rim. The footplate of the IOPVet is carefully placed perpendicular to the central part of the anesthetized cornea. When placed correctly, the tear film will adhere circumferentially to the footplate, and the intraocular pressure can be seen on the scale. Green means low to normal pressure, yellow means higher than normal, and red means the intraocular pressure is too high. For an animal with an abnormal pressure, there should be contact with the veterinarian ophthalmologist as soon as possible. After referral, the specialized veterinarian can measure the exact intraocular pressure and look in detail for the cause of the disease. Our specialized veterinarian is up to date with all the available treatment options and their benefits and risks.